Hi everyone, welcome to Meditation with Michelle. I am dropping this video on National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. So why not do a meditation about a chocolate chip cookie or using a chocolate chip cookie? Let me ask you this. What if savoring a chocolate chip cookie could actually train your brain to feel calmer and more focused? Studies have shown that mindful eating can reduce anxiety and bring you into the present moment. Pretty cool, right? So in this upcoming meditation, I am going to teach you how to eat mindfully using a chocolate chip cookie. All right, so I'm excited. I have heated my chocolate chip cookie and I think we're ready. So first, let's take our chocolate chip cookie and just smell it. Oh my God, it smells so good. And let's consider what the smells are without trying to name it as chocolate chip cookie. Just, oh, now I'm getting a little hint of that chocolate chip. So now that we've smelled it a little bit, let's take a good look. I'm going to take my glasses off for this. Let's notice the shape of the cookie, some of the little cracks, the shininess of the chocolate chips, the shadows in it, the shadow it makes against the plate even, how my cookie is big enough that when I start picking it up, some of those cracks start expanding and contracting. And the cookie itself is really just amazing to look at when you take a, I'm going to flip it over. Notice how the bottom is a little bit different than the top. A little darker. Ooh, it feels different than the top too. So I invite you to feel your chocolate chip cookie and notice what it feels like. Now I know you might really want to start eating your chocolate chip cookie and try to go back to just observing your cookie. Break a little piece off, see what the inside of the cookie looks like. Smell that piece of cookie that you just broke off and just really take a look at the different components of it, how the light catches it. And now we can try to taste it. Start by trying to find a little piece that maybe doesn't have chocolate in it. And don't quite chew it yet. Feel, what does it feel like on your tongue and on the roof of your mouth? I'm going to try a chocolate chip. Mmm, it just melts all over my tongue and the roof of my mouth. Take another piece that's a little bit deeper into my cookie. Try with the cookie and the chocolate chip together. Mmm, feel those textures and taste those flavors all kind of melt together and how it feels on the tongue, on the roof of the mouth. And I'm going to compare the center of the cookie to the outside. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Making my fingers a little greasy. Notice how it how it affects your fingers. Gosh, this is a delicious way to be mindful and be in the present. Just focusing on something so delicious like a chocolate chip cookie. Thank you, National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. So now that I have given you all a taste of mindful eating, I hope that you can take this into more of your meals. Just slow down and enjoy your food. It can be nourishing not just for your body, but for your brain, just like we talked about at the beginning of the video. And if you are curious about the science behind this meditation and want to dive a little deeper about how mindful eating can positively impact your brain, I've got a full article waiting for you. Just check the link in the description below. And if you'd love more moments of mindfulness and meditation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I hope that you enjoyed this deliciously mindful experience with your chocolate chip cookie and that you're feeling a bit more present and calm. I can't wait to continue this journey with you. Until next time, take care.